All right, so we have everything out here on the table. Again, the instructions. I believe this would be a charging cable. There's a small screwdriver. There's a set of wings. I believe the front and back wings are different. They're labeled A and B. So then we have the drone. I believe there is a cover over the camera here, and this is just going to lift up like this, and you can see there's some other protection on the camera, so we'll have to get that off. And then I'm going to open these up, and the front legs flip underneath, and the back legs just flip out like so. And then we've got the handles for the joysticks. It's a little weird that those are contained back there, but I suppose for just packing and shipping and whatnot, they won't get broken. And then it says remove the foam and sticker before use. Okay, so it does have some foam protection back here, and again, that's probably for shipping purposes. All right, that's definitely protection for shipping. So this is a 3-axis gimbal here. You can see it's going up and down, side to side, and then rotation. So number one, there is a guide, DJI guide. So I am going to have to do that QR code, and then it's got something about unboxing, and then it looks like we have to charge to activate. So I am going to throw this thing on the cable here. All right, so I didn't read any instructions or anything. I did watch a quick vid.
Home point updated.
Home point updated. Okay. It's saying takeoff permitted. I believe it's showing me the number of the satellites. This is going to tell me my elevation once I'm up there. I think flight time. So I am just going to go ahead and try to launch this thing. I think maybe standard.
Takeoff.
Starting the propellers, and then just press the launch button. Okay, it's definitely sensing that I'm close to the ground. Okay, that was actually pretty easy. This button did not really do anything here. When I started it, basically I did this.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Pretty smooth, eh?
Okay, so there's obviously many other functions on this drone. It is super easy to launch this thing. You can just hit a button on the remote control display, and then of course there's all of the camera functions, and you can set up somewhat of a follow me or follow the object, and got a ton of functionality that I'm going to have to explore, but really so far very easy to use. And can't wait to be doing some more filming and just basically flying this drone. It's really wonderful for a beginner.